Hello, my name is Jordan Brown at Soul Furniture Design. Welcome to our small yet productive shop. Today we were going to be reviewing the Bosch 4100 XC table saw. Now, previous to this saw, we had a rigid job site saw. What we replaced it with was the Bosch 4100 XC. And I am so happy with this saw. After using it a couple times, I think I probably would replace it years down the road with another one because it cuts perfectly true. Everything is smooth. It's made from high quality materials. So let's get into it and start using the saw. So we set it at 4. We did not double check our measurements because with this table saw, honestly, I don't think you really have to. That is so accurate. Let's measure here. Perfectly 4. So as you can see, that made a fantastic cut. Beautiful. And the dust collection system is fantastic. I mean, you can see what dust came from that cut. Not very much. So next we're going to try the cross-cut sled, see how this goes. Some of the key points that I think is worth pointing out is this has no give whatsoever. It's made from metal. The rigid one that this one is replacing has broken half a dozen times, and it was just flimsy plastic. The top is very true. I love that. Very smooth. And that's where the miter gauge goes and your push handle. The only thing is I'm not quite sure why the push handle goes in handle first. You would think that the handle would come out where you're using it, but not that big of a deal. Nice big push stop button. This is very easy to use, and as you can see, like, that is pretty solid. The rigid one broke half a dozen times. The sleeve inside would snap. I'd have to tape it back together just for the blade to be able to raise up. I don't think I'll have those issues with this one. The table extension lock is stiff but easy to move, but you can tell that is nice and solid. And the fence fits nice and tidy over here, out of the way. Very easy to put in and out. Overall, great saw. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hopefully it was informative for you about this Bosch 4100 XC table saw. We are new to YouTube. This is our very first product review. So please like, comment, subscribe so you can stay up to date on product reviews, upcoming projects, and tips and tricks of woodworking that we've learned over the years. Thank you and have a great day.